Hey guys! Welcome back to Tech Remedy, your go-to spot for demystifying tech, one tutorial at a time. Today, we're tackling DeepSeek AI, a tool that has been popping up everywhere in the AI world. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to sign up, log in, and use it like a pro. Plus, I will break down how it compares to ChatGPT. Let us dive in. First off, what even is DeepSeek? Imagine having a Swiss Army knife for AI tasks. This thing helps you write content, debug code, analyze data, you name it. It is sleek, powerful, and honestly, a bit addictive once you get the hang of it. If you're into productivity hacks, stick around, this tool might become your new best friend. Alright, let us get you signed up. Head to deepseek.ai, I will drop the link below. See that big sign up button? Log in with your email and password, and welcome to the party. Easy, right? Time to play with the tool. Let us say you need to write a blog post. Click Content Creation Mode. Type your prompt, like, explain quantum computing to a 5-year-old. Now, tweak the settings. Want it fun and casual? Adjust the tone slider here. Need it longer? Expand the length. Hit Generate, and look at that, a clear, engaging explanation. Copy, paste, done. But wait, DeepSeek is not just for writing. Coding. Switch to Coding Assistance and ask it to debug your Python script. Data analysis. Upload a spreadsheet and let it crunch the numbers. Now, let us address the elephant in the room. How does this stack up against ChatGPT? First, interface. DeepSeek feels like a specialized workshop, modes for coding, writing, data, etc. ChatGPT. More like a general-purpose chat room. Both work, but DeepSeek's structure saves time if you're hyper-focused. Second, output quality. For coding and data tasks, DeepSeek often gives detailed, step-by-step answers. ChatGPT's great too, but sometimes it's like, here's a poem about Python errors when you just need a fix. Third, pricing. DeepSeek plans are cheaper for heavy users, especially teams. ChatGPT free tier is solid, but GPT-4 costs extra. Bottom line. If you're a coder or data nerd, try DeepSeek. For creative convos, ChatGPT's still king. Why not use both? Before you go, here's how to level up with DeepSeek. 1. Be specific. Instead of write a resume, say, write a tech resume for a software engineer with 5 years of experience. 2. Use integrations. Connect DeepSeek to GitHub or Google Docs, it's a time saver. 3. Experiment, try weird prompts. I once asked it to explain blockchain using emojis, and it delivered. Asterisk shows funny example. Asterisk. 4. Stuck logging in, clear your cookies or try incognito mode. Basic fixes, but they work. And that's a wrap. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a tech tip. Drop a comment below, tell me if you're Team DeepSeek, Team ChatGPT, or both. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.